Okay, my name is Bree Roby. The date is March 21st, 24th, 21st. 24th. This is the chicken wing video showing my chicken wing that I've dissected. I am trying to get these both in, so I'll make sure my face and me without getting too close. I took my gloves off, don't have another pair, so I'll make sure I wash my hands real thoroughly. Okay, I'll use these to kind of point. I think you can see pretty good like that. Okay, so this bone, we'll go through the bones first. We have the humerus right here, just like on ourselves. This would be the ulna, the one that sort of looks like it catches that humerus, and the radius here. And you can kind of see it here. I feel like I couldn't quite clear it as much as I wanted to, but that is the bone. Radius, ulna. This white sort of pearly piece is the articular cartilage. This is obviously the synovial joint itself, or synovial capsule here. On the inside of that, you'll have the synovial membrane. Within that synovial joint, you will have synovial fluid, which is what we see in our joints for reducing friction and providing nutrients, etc., mobility. But obviously we don't see that here because it's out, it's been open. But this is where it would be within this joint. You can see a little bit of the other bone in there too. Yeah, that is the chicken wing. I think that's it. Bone, 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 joint, membrane, synovial fluid, synovial joint. Okay, so I'll move this up a little bit. A disease that affects our joints. When I think about that, two come to my mind. Arthritis, really, osteo and rheumatoid. But I'll talk about rheumatoid because I know that's more specifically joints. Rheumatoid arthritis, is an autoimmune disease which attacks joints throughout the body. Essentially, your body begins, as we said, autoimmune, your body begins to attack itself and the joint tissues, causing inflammation, pain, and sometimes that can physically manifest as joint deformities and by bone erosion. So often, one way you can see rheumatoid arthritis is in the hands. You'll notice the knuckles will become very inflamed and big. You'll often notice a lack of mobility in them, and when in the anatomical position, you often will see a medial drift, or your fingers begin to drift medial towards your body if standing in the anatomical position. So if my hand were like this, they begin to drift that way. And I think that, of course, that's just like a piece of the joint deformity that you see, because like I said, the joints are essentially under attack by your body. And so, yeah, rheumatoid arthritis is one that you'll definitely see manifested by swollen, bigger joints, like I said, often seen across your knuckles, these knuckles, metacarpophalangeal, and you'll see that drift in your fingers as well. So that is chicken wing.